Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to set live wallpaper on your Mac operating on macOS Sonoma. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. The macOS Sonoma introduced a very amazing feature that is a live wallpaper, which means a wallpaper which is going to move. Now remember that it won't move all the time, but on specific occasions. So I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you have to go ahead to System Settings. And when you're here, you have to go to Display and check if everything's okay. And yes, everything's good. Now we're going to go ahead to Wallpaper. And you can see that there are a lot of options that you can choose. There's this play button right next to them. And that means these are videos, video wallpapers, or wallpapers. Those are dynamic, not static. You can see there are old wallpapers and you can create your custom wallpaper as well. And there are pictures too. But to set a moving wallpaper, what do you need to do? Let me just select one. You can see there are a lot of varieties that you can use. There's this section for earth, and there is this another section for underwater, another section for cityscape and landscape. There's a huge variety, literally a very huge variety. And you can select, the one that suits you the most. Let me just select the one that I find the most beautiful and aesthetic. And by the way, you can see that there is this option of this arrow right here. You can see the arrow means that you have not downloaded it. So whenever you're going to click it, it's going to download it. You can see it's getting downloaded here. So we're just going to wait until this entire video downloads. So you can see that we have finally downloaded the wallpaper. Let me just show you how it looks. Now this is how the wallpaper looks. And currently it's static. Like I said, it won't move all the time. But let me do something right here. Now you see that it's moving and it's looking very, very, very beautiful and aesthetic. And that is how it looks. Now, if I log in again, let me just log in. Now you see, whenever I log back in, it's going to stop wherever it is. It's like very beautiful and very aesthetic. So you can see there are a lot of other options that you can use as well. So it depends on the one which you like the best. So this is how you actually set up a live wallpaper. So this was it. I hope you liked the video. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.